guys, and welcome to Motorbeam. A breathtaking view. I am breathless right now, and a crazy motorcycle right here. This, my friends, is the BMW R1300 GS, a motorcycle that you should definitely consider if you're getting into crazy off-roading, if you want a touring ready motorcycle, and if you have somewhere around 30 lakhs का budget. अगर है तो ये best है in the market. Today I am in Ladakh. Maybe try to convince you that why this is the best adventure motorcycle out there. You know what? Let's get to riding right away. But before do that, subscribe to Motorbeam and don't forget to hit the bell icon, yeah.
So guys, I am now out riding the BMW 1300 GS. Oh my god, the punch from the new 1300cc motor, it's just maddening. 140 plus horsepower, 140 plus Newton meters of torque, and the way this one handles, it's just crazy. The feedback from the handlebar, the feedback from the chassis. Now it gets a monocoque chassis at the rear and a steel chassis up front. Whoa! I'm out of words. This motorcycle is so much more capable. It is an off-roader, yes, it is been marketed as an off-roader, but it is a touring motorcycle. Look at this, Keith. See, right now just पहले false neutral हुआ. It keeps happening if I use a quick shifter. Magnetic है, थोड़ा hit करना पड़ता है, मतलब power से use करना पड़ता है तभी ये quick shifter मस्त काम करता है, नहीं तो नहीं करता है वैसा है. But the way this one handles short lines, small lines, it's just insanely mad, yeah. The BMW 1300 GS, this one now gets integrated braking. So if you apply the rear brakes, the front apply too. If you just apply the front, the rears apply too. So it's like कि balance होता है पूरा. See, for my height, this one has a higher seat height, and just because of that, I'm falling into places. Oof, oof. This is just so good, yeah. What a bike, BMW. What a bike. It can tackle off-road, it can tackle on-road. It can do everything that you can ask from it, yeah.
Now everybody has been loving the 1250 का design. वो एकदम classic था, bulky था. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा aerodynamic हो गया. But there are the changes. Number one is the face over here. It gets a beak, there's a cover, there's a new headlight, electronic controllable visor. Tires are still the same. Forks have gotten thicker. The tank design has changed. Engine has changed. The structure over here has been bettered. And when you come to the tail, you can definitely notice the tail light has changed completely. The grab rail as well has changed very nicely. So you can put on luggage mounts and everything. There are a lot of things to talk about, but the design wise, it has gotten a lot more aerodynamic and a lot more aggressive. So the key has been updated. It looks quite a nice key, but the first thing is that this has a sleep mode. तो मेरे को उठा के थोड़ा सा हिलाना पड़ता है. There's a cover over here where you can place your key. उसके नीचे there's a USB-A charger as well, but that's it. I can turn on the motorcycle now. It's on. The button from the center has moved to the side. This I have to like hold the clutch, bring it to neutral, and this is what it sounds like. The new 1300. Now this one does not have that bass but bubbles, and this one sounds aggressive. So I've already hopped out of the motorcycle. You can see me standing right here. I'm 5 feet 6 inches and मेरे height के लिए riding this off the road without having handlebar risers is not going to be a problem because I'm not leaning in too much. But then again, this is a very comfortable structure to move around, go off the road. If you're sitting on the motorcycle, you are sitting very upright. Visor का level भी मस्त है. You can adjust the angle electronically, which is just superb. Now you can see if I try to lift this motorcycle up, I am little bit tiptoeing. The seat height इसका around 850 mm है. The reason being that this one has 20 mm extra because of the comfort seat. However, once you come close, you can have a very nice structure to sit on, and this is just super duper fun, yaar. Like you can adjust the angle just by the click of a button. There is a sandwich button over here where you can preset something like heated grips चाहिए, traction control change करना है, damping change करना है, या windscreen का height change करना है. You can do that with a click. Once you notice, you can see you can keep your key over here. I can put my phone also. यहाँ पे नीचे USB charger दिया हुआ है once I lift it up. So we'll not go to that. It locks quite nicely. Now moving from this to the switch gear, you can definitely notice that this is a very complex place. But if you own BMWs, you will know that this scroller is quite nice. You get a menu button over here. ये sandwich button नया आ गया है, which makes your life easier with this up and down button. So combination of these two makes it very nice. There's an extra cruise control button over here, hazard light, a horn. This is how the horn sounds. It's quite a lot loud, and overall this thing is a very livable place to be. It is very minimalist, but if you don't own BMWs, this will be new to learn. ये up down होता है, left right भी होता है, and this is the menu selector. What do you think of this? Do you like it or not? Let me know in the comments below. Yeah, 28 to 35 lakhs is the price bracket that I'm expecting this motorcycle to come with all the 5 variants. If you have the budget, if you want an adventure motorcycle, don't think twice, just go ahead and get it, because this is the king of adventure. It can do everything. Now to bring out all the features of the motorcycle, this one video won't be enough, because इसमें इतना सारा कुछ है, and this being the trophy version which is middle and top के बीच में, oh my god, it is loaded AF. If you have the money, I'm still gonna say this, a BMW is worth buying, and this one definitely is. See, S1000 has a category. This one can do everything. It can go out on a track, like थोड़ा बहुत track back कर लो, थोड़ा बहुत lean कर लो, because it handles that well. It can go off the road, it can go touring. You can take 2 up with your wife, with your girlfriend, with anybody. Panniers डाल दो and just go out riding. And if that is something you want to do, want to live life, have the money, get it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.